Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your graphics cards on a GIGABYTE G7. Once you right click on the taskbar, you'll find Task Manager, and now if you click on this Performance tab here, you'll see probably two GPUs. The one that's by Nvidia is the high performance one, but you need to know that it uses more power, but it's good for gaming and stuff like that. And then the one provided by Intel uses less power but has much less performance, so it's good for like everyday tasks, but not for gaming. And they also can be adjusted which one is being used by setting up in the settings. So if you go to settings, then system, then display, and you'll see some graphics settings or advanced graphics settings. You may choose which card is used for what. So yeah, and also you can find different data about these GPUs in the task manager. So not only the name, but also the current utilization of all the different processes like 3D copying, video encoding, video decoding, then also the driver date, driver version, DirectX version, dedicated GPU memory, and all of that. And I hope it helped you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.